Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to BGMgirl Black Girl Magic Hair. So we're gonna go in. I like this cute little box that the hair comes in. Yeah, this is a box. We're gonna go in. Oh, we have the hair. Let's see all the goodies. We have a comb, wig cap, another wig cap, edge band, BGMgirl lashes. I love this. This is customized. Nice. We have some booklets where you could find them. Pretty cute. And some more coupons. We have a big bonnet to put on. Let's get into the wig. Ooh, we are rocking with a 12-inch bob. I worked with this company already and I absolutely love their lace. Look at this lace. The hair feels absolutely amazing. I'm excited. Pre-bleach, adjustable band. Love this. Now you can remove this. I love wigs with a comb so it can stay stable. And there's two on each side. There's one right here and there's one here. All right, there we go. Look at that lace. All right, I love the hair quality. Okay guys, let's install this wig. I went ahead and I tried to do a little bit with it. It's very flowy. I like it. So let's Alright guys, so this is it. I think I like the length. I'm gonna keep it with this length. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to use a little bit of Gots to Be. We're gonna make it glueless. Alright guys, face is lit. We are about to fix the hair. Oh my god. So because I added makeup on my face, I'm just gonna go over with my foundation brush and fix. So everything is blended. I'm not gonna lie, the lace is laced in. It's laced in. It is so thin and natural. Unbeatable. I love this. I love this professional look. I didn't have to cut the hair. This is a simple slip on, wear and go. Okay, now because the time is getting hot, this is a good spring style. We're just gonna go over. I didn't have to do much too, but I mean, it's a bob. Any hair that you cut, you just have to use a flat iron and go in. Simple as that. So that's what I am doing. And I'm just bending it. Real easy. Anybody can do this. Even a 15-year-old child. You know, it's just that we're dealing with heat, so we have to be careful. Now, my thing with bobs is one side is always easier to straighten. It's not a big deal. Just go on. Make sure you don't completely bend it, or should I say curl it, so because we want it to have that natural look. And I like this. Alright guys, this is it. Everything will be in the description. This is a 9x6 HD lace M-cap wig. Look at that. You don't need to cut it. It's completely glueless. I will take this off tonight. I just use the Gots to Be spray, tab it down right here. It's just a little trick to give it a more realistic look. When I tell you the quality of this hair is not to compare with, okay? The lace is laced thin. I wonder if you guys get what I'm saying. It is so thin, but it is completely like, look at that. Look at all that lace. I love this. The wig is very light. Look at this. 9x6 guys. So completely glueless. It also have a adjustable band. I want you guys to see this. It's a professional look. The summer is coming up on us, and this is a perfect wig for us to wear. Don't worry, you don't have to do a bob. You can do a long length as well. Check the description, go on their website. I love the quality of the hair. The lace is everything. Very nice. So this is it. Thank you again for sending this beautiful wig. We enjoy installing this. It took literally a few minutes because it's completely glueless. Nothing really, no addeds, nothing, and everything came in the box. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get into the cute part to showcase this wig.